you're an Uber or Lyft driver, and you've got a passenger in the back seat, and you start seeing the lights and the sirens. Police officer comes up to your window. What do you, is there anything you recommend they say specifically in that instance?
To the Uber driver
Yeah.
themselves.
Yeah. What should they say once you've got the police officer walking up and they're knocking on their window?
I mean, I think the biggest thing is understanding your culpability. For instance, is the Uber driver drinking? If that's the case, never admit to alcohol consumption. Try as much as you can to stay controlled, regardless of what it is. Now, it flips. Let's say the Uber driver had called the police, there was some kind of an assault. I always say it's imperative it's almost like a race. Who gets the finish line first? Sometimes the person who makes the initial police report is the one who's believed. So it depends. If it's a DUI in some kind of criminal action, never admit to the fault. If it's a personal injury situation or someone is beaten and you are the victim, you got to call the police first because it
Right.
almost like holds your place in line, you
Right.
know?
Right.
And as you know, everything you say can and will be used against you. It's
Absolutely.
such a stressful situation. And then also in those assaults, right? Sometimes you're the victim, and all of a sudden the person that assaults you flips the script and tells the cop they're the victim, and the cop has to make a determination of credibility. And usually they're going to go for the person that made that initial report.